Hey guys, thanks again for watching one of my appliance repair videos. This one happens to be a call I received on a front load LG washing machine that was leaking. That's one of my favorite calls. For those of you that are in the appliance repair business or want to start a business, you're going to receive this call 100 times. And it only takes about 15 to 20 minutes and you can repair this easily. Top 5 reasons a front load washer will leak is the supply hose, that's the black hoses, or the steel braided kind in the back that's connected to the inlet valve, drain hose, drain pump, inlet valve, door boot seal or gasket, or clogged drain line. Let's take a look. Of course, I'm at the customer's house. This is the LG front load washer that I'm about to troubleshoot and diagnose. That's the front panel. All you really have to do is get a Phillips head screwdriver or drill, and there are 2 screws on the back of that panel that you take off, and then you just push back and lift up. The first place I always go on a front load washer that's leaking is the inlet valve, which is what you're seeing right here. 9 times out of 10, it's either the cold, which is this one with the 3 ports, or the hot, which is the one to the left that is leaking. Super easy, guys. Like I said earlier, super easy repair. All I'm doing here is spraying the front of the legs with some WD-40. It just makes it easier to move. First thing you're going to do is remove the supply line, and the 2 screws I'm pointing to is what you need to remove the cold water inlet valve. This is the new one, exactly what it looks like. And for those of you that are not used to repairing these, I suggest you take this step by step. Don't unloosen all of the hoses at once or all of the wire connections. You may get confused when you go to reassemble it. So again, we're going to remove the supply line, and then we're going to remove the inlet valve. Just to keep it simple, like I said, remove 1 hose at a time. Those are the 2 screws, Phillips head, that I removed from the cold water inlet valve. And then what I suggest that you do, these are hog nose pliers. Any pliers will work for the clamps that are on the hoses that are connected to the detergent drawer. But what I would do if I were you and you're not used to doing it is replace 1 at a time and then place it on the new valve to keep it simple. So again, what I suggest is removing 1 hose at a time from the old to the new. You don't have to put the clamps on at this moment. I would also suggest that you number the wiring harness. If you look close enough, you'll see I have them numbered, so you know how to put them back on correctly. Now, make sure you look at them closely when you put the clamps on. They go at the very end of each hose. Once you've done that, all you have to do is put the wiring harness back in place, put in your Phillips head screws, and then here shortly, we're going to test it. Always test all the work that you do to make sure it's working properly. You notice here, I place the supply line into the drain hole. That's just keep from spilling water onto the floor. And then again, I just do a double check that everything's connected properly. And then what I'm about to do at this point is test the washer. Notice I'm testing the washer with the lid off. You want to make sure there are no leaks on the hoses, that the new valve is not leaking, or even the supply line. Then you'll put the top back on once you hear the water going into the tub and that it is not leaking. After that, it's easy. Here's what the washer sounds like when it's filling. Take a look at the supply hose. And now all you're going to do is put the lid back on, put it about a quarter ways back, and then slide it forward. Put your 2 Phillip head screws in that you see me pointing to here. And that's what it looks like completed. Super easy job. 15-20 minutes and you're done. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like or subscribe to the Cornerstone Appliance Training course. You can go over to our website if you're interested in one of our courses. You might want to repair your own videos, start your own business. Either way, we can help you. And as always, be blessed and be encouraged.